Are you ever tired of playing catch-up with social media algorithms? One week your posts fly, the next week they vanish. All of this happens because you don't control social media platforms. But there is one channel that you do, and that's your email list. Hey there, I'm Svetlana from Puri, and we make digital marketing simple for small businesses. If you think email marketing is outdated or too complicated for a small business, think again. It is still one of the most powerful tools to stay connected with your customers, drive repeat business, and share valuable content on your terms. In this video, we will walk through why email marketing works, how to begin, and what to send, so you can start building your email list straight away. So, why email marketing is worth your time? Unlike social media platforms that change their algorithms, your email list belongs to you. That means that you can reach your audience directly whenever you want. Email consistently ranks out as one of the highest ROI marketing channels. ROI is return on investment. Across Europe, email marketing returns roughly 43 euros for every euro you spend, and even small teams report strong results. Email is also your most personal channel. When someone opens your email, you have their full attention. No competing posts, no noisy feed, just you and your reader. In emails, you can be yourself. Unlike SEO-optimized web pages or social media algorithms, email allows you to write in your natural voice. You don't have to think about keywords. You can just talk to your audience like a human. If any of this sounds up your street, keep listening as we dive into the how of email marketing. But before we start, make sure that you have identified your niche and you know your target audience. Because with your email marketing, you want to reach the right people and provide as much value to them as possible. And for that, you need to know who your people are and what are their pain points. If you haven't defined your target audience yet, you can head over to puri.io and grab a free template. But first, let's finish this video. So, how to start? Step 1. Choose a simple tool. To have your email marketing running smoothly, you need a beginner-friendly email service provider, ESP. You don't want to manually send emails, so you need a system in place to automate it. Services like MailerLite, MailChimp, and ConvertKit offer free plans to get started. You can go check them out and see which one works best for your business. Step 2. Plan your email topics in alignment with your content pillars. You need to use a healthy mix of educational or informative emails with quick tips and solutions for your customers' most pressing issues, and promotional emails where you talk about your offers, share discounts, or news and updates about your business. Make sure to provide a lot of real value first. What kind of emails should you send? Let's break it down into simple types. First of all, welcome email. This is your first impression. You should reach out right after someone subscribes. This is when they're most engaged. Use this time to start building a relationship with them. We will talk a bit later about a welcome email sequence and what exactly to include there. Second type is helpful tips or content. Remember, when someone subscribes to your list, they're expecting useful content, so deliver on that promise. If you're not sure what to write about, think of the most common questions your customers ask. Seasonal tips related to a business or quick wins that your audience can implement right away. Give value. For example, if you're running a small plants shop, one of your emails could be 3 simple ways to keep your houseplants alive this winter. Third type is special announcements or events. Here you can share product updates, new services, or invites to upcoming events. These types of emails help build excitement, show that your business is active and evolving, and give your audience a sense of being in the know. Whether you're launching something new or hosting a pop-up event, your subscribers will appreciate getting early access or insider updates. Next one is promotions or sales. Email marketing is one of the most effective channels for selling because it is where you're closest to your audience, right in their inbox. Use this space to share time-sensitive offers or new product launches. Just be careful not to overpromote. If every email is a sales pitch, you risk losing trust. Focus on value first and then sprinkle in promotions strategically. If you're running an e-commerce shop, you can also use your email service provider to set up automated emails for abandoned cart, for example. Okay, let's talk about how to create a welcome email sequence. Before you start signing people up for your email list, I suggest preparing a welcome email sequence, so when you get started, you can bring immediate value. Draft the first 3 emails that your audience will get once they subscribe. In the first email, introduce yourself and explain what kind of topics you will be covering so they know what to expect. Make it worthwhile for them to stay. Show the value that you will deliver with every email they receive. In the next email, tell them more about your brand, your mission, and how you can help them. Connect with them on the personal level. Share valuable insight that could immediately bring benefits. Show them that you understand them and their challenges. Encourage them to reply to you, sharing some of their challenges. This can help you understand their pain points and provide better service. Also, use their answers as an inspiration for topics that you can cover in the next newsletter. If one of your customers is struggling with this problem, chances are others might be as well. In the third email, talk about how your services helped some of your clients. Get consent from your clients if you want to reveal their real names. And present your offer. With this email, you are targeting the emotional buyers and letting others know about your products. Step 4. Plan how you will grow your email list. Here are several strategies for you to start collecting emails from real people who want to hear from you. Important note: as with many other things that we talked about on this channel, focus on quality rather than just quantity. You need to find people who are genuinely interested in your content and services. If you focus on numbers and grow your email list with random people, you will be just paying fees to email service providers for people who are not going to buy anything from you. So, how can you grow your list? For local businesses, just ask in person. If you run a brick-and-mortar business or attend events, encourage customers to join your list by offering an incentive, such as a discount or a bonus gift. You should definitely add a sign-up form to your website and make sure it's easy to find. Place it on your homepage, footer, blog post, or as a pop-up. If people like your product or they can see that you produce high-quality content for your website, they would be more than happy to subscribe to get the latest and greatest from you directly in their inbox. You can also use pop-ups with discounts to get their emails. It is quite a standard practice for many e-commerce shops. For those of us in Europe, please check the GDPR rules. For email marketing, we need to get an explicit and free given consent from our subscribers to send them marketing emails. So, check the rules and regulations to be on the safe side. If you have a social media channel, definitely promote your email there as well. You can add a subscription link to your Instagram bio or in the description under your YouTube videos. Finally, use lead magnets or freebies. This is something valuable that you offer in exchange for their email. It could be a checklist, how-to guide, free trial, or a discount code. Make sure it is directly relevant to your business and the needs of your audience, so it is worth for them to share their email with you. If you decide to go with a freebie, which I think is the best way to grow your email list, then your first step should be creating a freebie. We'll make a video soon on how to do that, so stay tuned. And step 5, when you've done all the preparations, send your emails and stay consistent. Sending more often helps you stay visible and top of mind, but what matters most is consistency. Whether you start with once a month or once a week, choose a rhythm that you can stick to. Email marketing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to build relationship with your audience and grow your business. You don't need complicated tag or marketing experience. You just need to start. Choose a tool, write your first email, and hit send. That's it for today. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.